Badwam TV so Adom TV so bedwundwumadi esu dia wo kansi hu sempa sa kana no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch ba kope the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Alrejna Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono kwanten krodin smaudo ensa kana no pensu biu e wo Ghana agudi eja wo hye soma mse nyuma koni emiensa wo na abom skadwe temena no pe den komo no 8 aba na enyumeku a mo edi akire no one expert have always told you that betting there is better than sakawa utwan before din befu twan kuma bi adi kuma sa no manum ene ti ka kire busuafo na fofo yere o ma wo fasefo na nanom ukunu mu ene opnafo na say 1x bet papa pa ba amanfo de je o mo financial freedom no na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yere nya ya no eno ana yedi etwa bet into twa better na de adwene kakra tia sa to nye sade a waso ebetimi aihye wani betimi approve so na mo 1x bet ene better aba je fast semester edro tetahwi infections edo gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so depo na chewa onsatimi kan je fast bia bobobi ebetimi aboa awro nrawa ne omrebo ho amo etua di nchina che ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma also pe je fast semester do ba kwa ebetimi aboa eno no Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel you can do ba ko 2 year pain as if you are pampas be pimo na ase na ye ho adwuma bruta tutumika fo ni kira shama me market na fetema enye na hokra se utubi akoton anase wotode ye ho no obetian from 0208219129 na oni Sedimo gel and roll on phone paying for entry enkomo we mu ene sponsors ni mu tuturu tu ni twetwe na no pen so mo techira boa e ma ye dia wo kensi hu sempa en saka 8 major a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to our first step here CFM international friendly esa and also 8 members so West Ham United for Tottenham Hotspur from 3-2 e was our friendly games 8 members so na fe Bayern Munich for one so 8 team team.
I think it was a good game. We played tonight. We leveled up in terms to the first game we had away in Guinea. I think we liked that the pitch is rolling much better here, so our possession game was good. Our rest defense was perfectly set, so we didn't allow them to enter in counter-attacks. I think we had a big dominance on the pitch. Of course, the only thing I can maybe judge is that we should have scored a bit more goals out of all these chances. But all in all, I'm very satisfied, happy that we passed this first qualification round, and we want to aim high. Of course, it's just the first step and the next step in our mission Volta.
It's in Nora Hotel. Eye Bonifita only kita the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana team no now Arsenal so far they best course about best 5 matches or clean sheet ni na wedding kunimuma on consider a single goal and was best 14 goals on against Kesia or the attend times no statistics here among foreign am chrome say no hope tell you crano in game for Blasters na famano ye ne bo mpuni bizan say saying and is it here or beje Blasters na say obetra man team na kache say onye interested in the male national team.
Well, in general, I focus on the Black Queens. I'm the head coach of the Black Queens, and it's not my statistic. It's our statistic. I have a staff, and I have a team. I have players, and it's our work. You know, it's a teamwork. And finally, football is in Africa. Football, it's in Europe. Football, so it's not so far away. Everything I need to learn and adapt myself a lot. I learn a lot about the culture, try to open myself and have a growth mindset to also learn every day, adapt. Of course, I try to bring my strengths in, like I expect from every player. My approach is always on the strengths, and maybe you see that there is a good organization on the pitch. So my staff brings there a lot of know-how, of course, in, and the players are them very open to adapt, to learn those things. Sometimes it's also new for them, but I'm really happy how we take these challenges. They are willing to learn and transmit it on the pitch, and I think today you saw the DNA, you saw the structure of the Black Queens, and I'm very proud to see this picture.
Inti Nora Hotel air coach Edma the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana and odene komoja say onye interested in the male national team. My team no and opese obomiye de muye fenfenfenfenmuye doko na afi so eboa ema niema etia kwe nyame atoma enkomo no ebetia atwa so lat hwade mai. Ngbodu ana o kire say ono hyego a aya ni celebration bi enti ya na waye bote e wa goma no so ntenye se bia obuna ni aguso na mu nyame adoma obesua se ne celebrate na femepem no oma manfo ahu se ampa celebration de ono so ede no agim na Dr. Randy Abbey on Akpando out of Lounge the Boboleji boys ne dia na for best 8 years ni oma ne nam amana na so a fe no ma qualify for the Premier League no oma besia kan fi e Premier League nim na Akpando out of Lounge da bre baby omusio ma kensi ne ho akwede ne kakra but o se ni omo toto ne ma yi se be a Akpando out of Lounge bitimi enya befitting place a omo besio ma kensi.
As I speak with you, there's work going on at the stadium. I mean, from 2014, we have spent money. I mean, the state has not been able to put in one city from 2014 in the stadium. Everything you see is us. And Bonze Akpando Stadium, there's an instance, not one seater at that place. And Premier League, so no club licensing now. You need a minimum of a 2,000 seater. You need a minimum of 100 VVIP, a media tribune, and all those things. So we are having to do virtually everything new. We scrap the whole field. We are doing a new playing surface. Everything, goal post, bench, inner perimeter. We are building new stands. Everything to try and meet the thing. We don't have too much time, but most of them for Kokpando, you see the kind of thing that is happening now, and bonfires. It's high kakra because it rains quite heavily there and very continuously. And yes, I had a Jumano kakra, but we're still pushing, hoping say we will be able to meet it. And this that's our preoccupation. Coaches also your more there. They brought their list, the areas they want to augment and all that. We're working towards that.
Dr. Randy Abbey, the purchaser and now the owner of Akpando out of Lounge, nothing is castle in Komo Asia. If I near Momudia Koma season way, will be home Akpando out of Lounge, I brand new cry. Now, Uber referees and so Akachia, also the Komoka Cretin Saba, na GFE, a referees manager, Fence and Lescoti, would say, referees so much to say, never be her, referees near yet, maybe a mobile man had the dinner, her in Mexico, so a far boy referee beating me, Jaufia, one shot beating a boy TV in Malcobis and a sim. But any just almost showing himself can be as no on my breast and Manase our upcoming season
is to organize more training programs for them. Is to make sure say medically they are good, because medicals I mean it will also affect your performance too as well. And I also want to make sure say fitness in every region, in every football region, we have 3 technical instructors and 3 fitness instructors. Okay. We are making sure that we are introducing technology into refereeing. I mean, it's also in Europe. Technology, everything now is about technology. So the using of the gadgets, the using of the flag beeps, a lot of things. And we have done all these things in the past years. Okay. Going forward, what do we have to do? So now we have realized that our referees are a little bit handicapped when it comes to analyzing incidents.
The referees manager, let's go to Nathan and Castle in Como Ajano. But about Greater Accra West District, I'm also edited division. I can't see about quitting in terms of Middle League. We had intended the power. Now, remember that Anna Sarkins case in the 18 bar. So, Adabraka Elders, next and paying for Adabraka. Now, I'm not coming with your farm. We're from say Adabraka Elders FC. One more Anna a year impressive win with 4-0 over Abo Asnas. Into Ghana had their teams in Bia Batabridin, Abo for her, and Asnas, into Abo Asnas, Anna, Efi Eda, Suma, Caridon Park, and a case in the Santuja, Bernard, Paddy Butri, a one common to us. As I'm paying for Adabakina, and my third division, also Middle League, no, Omoche, Abo Asnas for a chum 4-0. On answered and it means happy ma omo ede enkomoyi etiaba one expert I've always told you that betting there is better than saka we twen before twen kuma bi adi kuma sa no manum abusua ope bet there modern that so do hu betia gym one expert je fast message do titahwi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis fita na so dey natural na do nie o sentimi kan betia boa afi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel you can your dey for pampas be pimo na say do it to ase na property crabwa emonya kwawisa wase trenim ebo bra obetia from 020-821-9129 na on a sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel yɛntwetwe nkɔmmɔ yɛhwɛ mu a ɛma nneɛma 1822 yi mfama ɔmadama wɔn na ɛtɛkyerɛ abɔmɛ na nɔpɛ nso deɛ wɔkɛnsi mu sɛ mpa nsa ka 8 gel within the prof UK Wallace akudie catch back open am gyina mu of course evidence based presentation 8 gel erade entena ni ma onye okese onyi fi bebe da so ni fa nko bebe da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.